That's working awesome. Listen to the sound it makes. Has almost the exact sound of when you put a stainless steel pan on an electric stove burner with water in it. This is the pan on the stove. The water's just getting ready to boil. Here's just a quick shot to show you everything you need to make it. Just the 2 cans with the dirt, 2 stainless steel zip ties, a rubber band, and 6 of the 12 volt DC PTC ceramic heating elements. I go with the 220 Celsius ones, or 428 Fahrenheit. This will make you kind of a small model. This makes a medium or large model, and that makes a super large model. That's one of the coffee cans. Alright. Then you take 2 or 3 metal zip ties, the stainless steel ones. Alright, then all you got to do is hook the leads together, so the 6 negative and the 6 positive, and that goes straight to the power source, battery, solar panel, whatever you got, 12 volt. You want it to heat up a lot faster and hotter, drop it in a can a little bit bigger, and just add some dirt around the edge, or any kind of sealer, maybe plaster of Paris or gravel, sand, lots of things. And that's it. Beautiful. Alright, there it is. That's 8 minutes exactly. It's just starting to roll. Beautiful. It hit the boil at 8 minutes. It was close to 12 without the insulation in the second can. So it definitely sped it up by almost exactly 50% faster. Got a good boil going around the edges now. Water's reading 190, 195 Fahrenheit, so it's just brushing up against a full boil. Alright, so that's the verdict. Using that extra can makes a huge difference. Don't forget, this thing's going to be really hot. I just shut it off and you still can't touch it, because really the element's touching this one, but it's so close to the outer one still, you can't really touch it. That's pretty close to what a cookie sheet feels like when it comes out of the oven at about 300. By the way, one last thing. To keep the dirt in there so you can actually pour the water out when you're done, you may want to use some like modeling clay. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to buy some modeling clay, roll it out into the strips, and then just kind of tuck it in around the edge. That should hold the dirt in good. Things working great. Got it on the 2 solar panels outside. That thing gets unbelievably hot. I unplugged that about a minute ago, and it's just now stopping the boil. By the way, the whole thing stays good as new. You can just pull it out of the dirt and change it around or experiment or whatever you want to do. The elements, the can, the zip ties, everything's like new. Good as new.